To tech diet, let's dive into our today's problem combinations. We are given two integers n and k. Return all the possible combinations of k chosen from range 1 to n. You may return answer in any order. For example, when n is 4, k is 2, we have to choose two numbers out of this range 1 to 4. So we choose 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 4. So we need to comprehend all of these combinations. So let's see how we can create that. So let's create a helper function which will help us generate all of it. We know this is my k, this is my n. We do need a list how much how many numbers we want to have in this list, and then we can say if my list size is 2, as in our example, if it's k, then we can say okay, I need to add it to my overall list. So let's have our overall list somewhere here. Integer, let's say this is overall list is equal to new array list. So I need to add this to my overall list. So this overall list will be something like new array list, and we can pass in this list so that it can copy all the content over. Otherwise, what we need to say, we can say okay, I need to populate this list, right? So I need to do it till I is equal to, let's have another variable here, j. So it should be j, and then I can say I less than, definitely it should be less than n, I plus plus. So I will add this to my list. So let's add this variable, and let's call our helper again with I plus 1, and then I can say list is still same, and after it has done the iteration we can remove the last which it has added, and let's call this helper function and k. Initially it will be 1, then we can have our new array list. So we'll return our out list there. So we have 1 2 1 4. So we are not adding the corresponding 1 and 4, so it should be I is equal to till it's n. Correct. So just to give you a hint like what's happening here, we can maybe just out this list so that we can know what has happened over the time. So we added 1, we added 2, and then we added, since size is k, we added it to overall list. Then we added 3, we added 4, that we don't care, and then it proceeds ahead with the corresponding values. So we added 1 and 3, and just to stop the iteration we can just return so that it doesn't add 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So we add 1, we add 1 2, we add 1 to our list, and then we'll roll back, we add the corresponding 3, we add the 4, then we add 2 and 3. So this j is changing because this parameter is changing. We are always finding the next number. So we are done with 1, now we start with 2 till 4. So that is there, but 4 size cannot be done, so we have excluded because its size is less than k. So yeah, I hope this will work. Let's try to hit submit. Yep, this works. Thank you.